What's up guys, it's Ash with Ash Me Anything, and today I picked up a pair of Sunset French Blue SB Dunk Lows off of OfferUp for only $60. If you're familiar with the shoe, lowest ask right now I think is $400 on StockX and around $600 on GOAT. So I'm not obviously expecting to get that much out of them given that they're used, but you know, with the SB Dunk wave kind of at a peak right now, I think I'm going to get around $300 at least. So in today's video, we're just going to clean them up, make them look a little bit better than they are. I'm not using any, kind of professional cleaners or anything. I'm not an expert at cleaning them, but just anything to make them in greater condition than they are right now. So the products that I'm going to use to clean them are Shoe Palace's just general shoe cleaner, as well as this combat cleaner that I picked up off of Amazon. If you're familiar with like the mall kiosks that sell those shoe cleaners, it's pretty much the same thing with a different label, and it gets the job done. It's not, like I said, professional grade, but it definitely does help. Aside from the cigarette smell in these shoes, they're in pretty fair condition, granted that I paid $60 for them. The only thing is that they did not have the original box and doesn't have the original white SB Dunk laces. Later in the video, I'll be swapping them out for some black SB Dunk laces that I had laying around, but for now it's going to be the unoriginal black laces. So the bottoms of the shoes were definitely the worst part about them, but I took that Shoe Palace cleaner and just sprayed them down, and then took an old toothbrush I had laying around, just kind of spouted around. It honestly worked pretty well for not putting that much work into them. I just did that and then rinsed them off, and it was definitely a noticeable difference. So like I said earlier, the shoes did not have the original laces, so I basically just cut off the old ones and then took them out. And for now, I'll be replacing them with the SB Dunk laces that I had laying around for my 112s. So about halfway through using a toothbrush to clean up the bottom where it says Nike SB, I realized that I had that hard bristle brush that came with my combat cleaner, and that definitely worked remarkably in cleaning up like the scuffs on the bottom. So here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Again, these aren't the original laces that came on them when they were brand new, but if I can source some white ones before I sell them, I'll definitely throw them on. But for now, I think they look great. The shoe is definitely a lot cleaner. For, I'd maybe put 30-45 minutes into cleaning them, and just off the bottoms alone, I think it looks essentially new. But I can spend some more time, get all the little rocks and stuff out of the soles, but I didn't feel like doing all that for the video, but I'll probably go back and clean them up a little bit more. If you liked today's video, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. I'll try to do this as often as I can find them. With SB Dunks going for as much as they are nowadays, it's definitely getting harder to find them for a relatively low cost, but if I can find them, I'll definitely continue to make these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.